How to safely and independently unpack the TrueCool device. A single TrueCool device weighs approximately 75 kilograms with the packaging. It is placed on a half pallet for transport. The box is secured with one set of fastening straps. The second set of straps is attached to the half pallet. First, cut only the straps that secure the box to the half pallet. Then slide the box from the half pallet onto the ground. Now proceed to open the freestanding box. Cut the fastening straps and adhesive tape, then open the top flaps of the box. Remove the protective foams. Lift the cardboard box up over the device. Under no circumstances should you lift the device from the base of the box. In particular, the handle should not be used for this purpose. Cut open the sides of the cardboard base tray. Gently tilt the device. The protective foams can now be removed. Roll the device off the cardboard tray by pulling it by the handle, which is intended for pulling on a flat surface. It's done.